Hey guys, I hope you had a chance to upload your video to Flipgrid and ask any questions that you needed to. So last time I went ahead after I taped that video, I went ahead and used a Sharpie marker around my letter to make it stand out a little bit more. If you have one, go right ahead and do that. If you don't, that's okay. You could use a marker, a regular marker, or a color pencil, or a crayon to do that. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to make this really stand out. So I'm going to pick a couple of colors, and I'm still dividing up some of my spaces because I'm trying to make sure that everything is nicely balanced. But you're going to choose one color for the inside here, and you're going to choose either one or two different colors for the outside here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose some colors. I'm going to use color pencils today. I've used crayons before, and you could totally do this with crayons, but my crayons are getting a little dull. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my color pencil to create different values within these shapes. So I'm going to just start with a point in any of those shapes, and I'm going to make it really dark here, and then it's going to be really, really light over here. So you don't want to have a whole lot of like really big, weird shapes. The outside, it's okay to do that. But remember, press harder to make it darker and press softer to make it lighter. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see what I'm doing better. There we go. So holding your color pencil towards the middle will help you press lighter. And I'm going to move my hand as I go. So the goal is to have this whole space filled in, or nearly filled in, but then this corner is dark, and maybe one other corner is going to be dark. If you really want to, you could try all four, or if there's 5 corners. So I want to make sure that I'm balancing the colors or the values inside this space. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to make this come out a little bit more. And then in this shape underneath it, I would probably make sure that this area is going to be darker so that the dark areas don't touch. But again, that's really up to you if you want to do it that way. If you want to do it color pencil takeover. You could do this corner dark and see how it looks. This is another value lesson to really help you guys get used to creating different values with one material. Because you never know when you're just going to be stuck somewhere with only one material. Like right now. So you can see it's kind of creating a tie-dye effect. You could do it all the way around like that. And then this is mahogany. So it's a really deep red. So I would probably choose something a little bit lighter around the outside. Maybe this light blue color, or even a green, because remember that's the opposite on the color wheel. So if you want to really create a lot of contrast, go with your complementary colors. Here's your basic complementary colors. So if I have a dark, dark red, I might go with a dark, dark green, or even a light, light green to really show contrast. It's up to you. If you have questions, let me know. Here, I can go ahead and show you. This is a regular crayon, and you can create different values with that one crayon. Oh, here we go on the back. Okay, by pressing harder and doing those layers. Remember, we talked about layering on the colored pencil, or layering on, in this case, the crayon. So if you had a chance to look at the other videos that I have up about different value projects, this is one of your options. While we're out for right now, I want you to try to complete at least one of the different value lessons I have posted, and put them up on the Flipgrid. If you want to do all of them, great, but I really want you to try to do at least one of them. And again, if you have questions, let me know, okay? I can't wait to see all your artwork. Bye for now.